Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, please, those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBP JPY for this week. Take a look at the trend, right? Let's sit on the forward time frame. You clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. And will I say fortunately or unfortunately, more uptrend move is to come on GBP JPY, especially JPY, by the way. JPY PS is falling. So basically, if JPY is falling, every other PS against our JPY needs to give us a bullish move. This is one of the reasons why GBP to JPY is bullish, Euro to JPY is bullish, Swiss franc to JPY is bullish, and every other thing. So this week I'll be expecting a movement, but right now correction is playing out, right? Once this correction plays out finish, we would continue the impulse move upward. But this is where I think the correction will actually play out. Let me see. The correction is likely to come to this level of 182.920. Within this level, I'll be expecting a correction to take place. By that, we should be able to see tap our trend line. As you can see, this is the trend line. If it can tap it or whatever, then we should continue with the movement. This is an uptrend move. Like they always say, trade with the trend and not against the trade. Against the trend. What price is doing is exactly what you have to do. Clearly, this price is actually giving us a bullish move. It is trending, or say it makes sense for us to actually trend above. So I would love to see GBPJPY drop first before we go ahead and continue the bullish move. So basically, we are going to cover more on JPY pairs on the Patreon channel. So if in case you are having trouble growing up your account, I just want you to know that you should actually stop taking trade and blowing up your account. Come and learn with us, by the way. Come and learn how to trade. Come get trade from us. 70 to 90% chance of winning trade is what we will be sharing on the Patreon channel. It is very, very simple. You can give it a try for a month. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, sign up to our Patreon channel, give it a try for a month, and trade good with us. Take good trade. These are some of those trades we actually took last week, which I'm going to put the link to this playlist. By the way, you will see it June 26 to 30. Come and watch all these trades that we actually took. They were wonderful trade, amazing trade. We actually made a good amount of profit last week. So this week also we will be taking a trade again. We will be sharing the stop loss, the take profits, and the target, the entry points, and why we are taking such trade. That is what we will be sharing on the Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested in more trade, especially JPY PS or USD PS or any other PS, if you are interested, sign up with us. The link will be in the comment section.